Hello students, in today's lecture we'll be learning about TOWS matrix. In last lecture we saw what is meant by SWOT analysis and I explained what is the meaning of strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So along with SWOT analysis, TOWS matrix. Okay, TOWS means T stands for threats, W for weakness, O for opportunities and S for strength. Now, what is the difference between SWOT analysis and TOWS analysis? So, a SWOT analysis helps assessing a company's current internal and external situation, but it does not give any idea to organization about which strategy is to be adopted by the organization. Okay, so it just gives you an idea. I'm talking about SWOT analysis. It just gives you an idea about which are the strengths and weaknesses in your internal environment, that is within your organization, and which are the opportunities and threats which are coming from the external environment. So it just assesses the environmental factors within the organization and outside the organization. That is the only limited use of SWOT analysis. Going further towards it, when we talk about TOWS analysis is a kind of analysis which gives organization an idea about how to make use of its strong points and grab the opportunities coming from the external environment, and which strategies are suitable for the organization and which they can adopt. So that is the difference between TOWS matrix and SWOT analysis. Now look at the diagram carefully. In the first quadrant you can see WT. Now WT means it stands for weaknesses and threats. Okay, and below that you can see mini strategy is written. Okay, so here mini means minimum. Okay, now this is the situation where company is striving hard for its survival. Okay, that means its survival is in danger, and therefore the company is having very little development opportunities. It operates in a very hostile environment and its potential for change is very small. It does not have any significant strength which could withstand the threats, and the aim of mini strategy is to minimize both the weaknesses and threats. Here mini and WT is very important from the first quadrant. So what does this mini signify? It signifies that the organization's survival is in danger and it has to take certain steps to minimize its weaknesses and also minimize the threats from the external environment. Okay, so that is the strategy, or this is the situation where company is striving hard for its survival, or it may be thinking about merging into another organization because it is having number of weaknesses and also the threats upcoming from the external environment are also much more. So it is difficult for the company to undertake its business successfully in the organization. Therefore it is mini strategy. Okay, now moving towards the next quadrant below the first quadrant is WTO, and again W stands for weaknesses and O stands for opportunities. Below that you can see it is written mini maxi strategy. Mini means minimum and maxi means maximum. Now this is a situation where the company is having more weaknesses. Okay, but its environment is providing it with plenty of opportunities to resolve that. Okay, now what is the condition of company? Company is having more weaknesses, but it is also getting more opportunities from external environment. Now this strategy, mini maxi strategy, means it wants to minimize the weaknesses and maximize the opportunities, and the strategy should include exploitation of these opportunities or reducing or correcting the weaknesses within the organization. Okay, now how is this possible? If you want to minimize the weaknesses and grab the opportunities, then what you have to do is you can either go for outsourcing the activities or acquiring another company with right resources will be a good option for the for grabbing the opportunities, because the organization is having number of weaknesses. You are trying to minimize those weaknesses, and when you see that number of opportunities coming from external environment are much more, then what you have to do is you want to grab those opportunities, you want to get benefit of those opportunities for your organization, right? So in this condition you can go for mini maxi strategy, where you are minimizing the weaknesses and maximizing the opportunities. Now, what kind of strategy should the organization adopt in this condition? The organization can outsource the activities and get the work done from other people who can grab your opportunities. Okay, so this kind of outsourcing will help your organization to get the benefit of the opportunities coming from the external environment. Okay, now moving towards the next third quadrant is ST. Near WT, it's ST, where S stands for strength and T stands for threats. Okay, below that you can see maxi mini strategy. ST means maxi mini strategy. Again, maxi means maximum, mini means minimum. So in this case, a strong company or a strong company is operating in a very hostile environment, and the aim of this strategy is to maximize the strength of the company and minimize the threats through this strength. Okay, so a company with strong financial capabilities could lower its prices to drive out the competition. So what is the condition under this strategy? The company is having more strength, and with the help of this strength, the company has to minimize the threats by making use of this strength. So it is called as ST condition, where the company is in a better position, which we can call, because the company is trying to maximize its strength and minimize the threat. Okay, so you can if the organization is financially capable and it is having good cost reducing skills, then it can lower its prices and drive out the competition. Okay, so by lowering the prices, what will happen? Your customers will get attracted towards your product, and demand for your product would increase. So you can beat the competition in the market by making use of your strong points. So strong point, which is, for example, which is the strong point? If you are having good cost reducing skill, that is your strong point. If you are having strong financial capabilities, that is your strong point, right? So here the company is trying to make maximum use of its strong points to beat the competition in the market or to fight against the threats. Now, for example, the threat is that your competitors are more and more competitors are entering into the market. So naturally your survival will be in danger. So at this condition or in this situation, what are you supposed to do is that you should make use of your strong points to beat the competition, and which you can do it by, as I said, by reducing the cost, lowering the prices, going for heavy advertisement and publicity, and in every way you have to try to beat your competitors. Okay, so this is called as ST situation, where you are having strength and threats, and you can go for, or you can adopt, maxi mini strategy. Okay, then moving towards the last quadrant, which is SO situation, where you can see S stand for strength, O stands for opportunities, and this is the best condition of any organization, where every organization feels that my business organization should always have this kind of situation where I do have lot of strong points and I am having lot of opportunities coming from the external environment. So S and O, that means strength and opportunities, both of them are in more number, and therefore the strategy is maxi strategy. It is totally opposite to WT situation, that is the first quadrant mini strategy, and this is maxi. So in first case I told you that the company is having a very bad condition, it is its survival is in danger, and therefore it is trying to minimize its weaknesses, and also it is having it's trying to minimize its threats also. And here the condition is totally opposite, where you can see maxi means everything is maximum, yet you are having maximum strengths to grab the maximum opportunities coming from the external environment. Okay, Now such an organization or the company which, every company, as I said, would like to be in this position where it can maximize both strength and opportunities, and such an enterprise can lead from strengths, utilizing its resources to take advantage of the opportunities the market is offering. Companies in these situations could think about expanding internationally, diversifying the product, entering into the new line of product development, anything. So you are having ample growth opportunities, and also you are having good strong points in your organization. So this is the best position which every company wish to be in. So this is called as maxi strategy. So hope so I have explained it in a very simple and lucid language about all the four quadrants of TOWS analysis. Now we are going to see that this is the figure of same TOWS analysis, of course, but how it is converted into various situations. That means whatever we saw in four quadrants, the same thing is explained in a more detailed manner in this diagram. Okay, so the first condition is SO. So as I said, that SO means strength and opportunities. So here, use of internal strength to exploit external opportunities. That means the maxi strategy which we just now saw. So this is the best position of any company. Okay, so here you are trying to use internal strength to exploit the external opportunities. Okay, then coming towards the next point is ST. Now ST means strength and threats. Okay, so what you are going to do in this position, you are going to make use of internal strength to avoid or minimize the impact of external threats. This position is also quite better because you are having strong points in your organization, right? So you can easily lay down the strategies, adopt the strategies where you can beat your competitors, where you can thoroughly face the threats or the challenges coming from the external environment. So first two situations are okay, SO and ST. Coming towards the third one is WTO. Here WTO means weakness and opportunities. So here you are having more weaknesses in your internal environment, so you are trying to minimize the internal weaknesses by exploiting external opportunities. WTO means a situation where you are having weaknesses, and also you can see number of opportunities coming from the external environment. So you have to overcome these internal weaknesses and exploit the external opportunities, and that you can do by outsourcing also. You can ask other people to do that for your benefit. Okay, because you can see number of opportunities coming from external environment, but you don't have that much strong points to grab the opportunity. This is the condition of the company. Okay, so outsourcing is the one of the best way to go through this situation. And last is WT. This is most dangerous situation which we saw in the first quadrant, mini strategy. So here weakness and threats, both of them exist, where you have to overcome the internal weaknesses and minimize the external threats. So this is a quite a challenging position for any company to have. So as I said, that the company's survival is in danger. Okay, so this diagram shows you in a very clear way as to how or which condition is to be fought against what, or which strategy is to be adopted. Okay, so with this we end with TOWS analysis. Hope so I have made it very clear. With this we end today's lecture. Thank you.